If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture on variations. So today we will be solving previous year Tripura University questions for diploma first year on variations. There are 4 questions until now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then let's solve this. First question is x plus y is directly proportional to x minus y. Then show that x is directly proportional to y. So x plus y is directly proportional to x minus y. So we can write x plus y is equal to k into x minus y, because we have told you if it is directly proportional then x is equal to ky. So this is kx minus y. So if you take x both sides, that is x minus kx is equal to minus ky minus y. So if you take x common, it is 1 minus k. If you take y common, then it is, or minus y common, then it is k plus 1. Then you can write x equal to y 1 plus k by 1 minus k. I have taken that minus k minus 1, I have multiplied by minus, so it is 1 minus k. Now k minus 1 you can write. So I have changed this minus. Okay, and so what you can write now, x is equal to y into some m. M is some constant. M is equal to 1 plus k by k minus 1. You can write here k is a constant, so that will be perfect. So therefore m is also a constant. Because if your k is constant, then m is also a constant. So that means y equal to some m into y. So therefore x is directly proportional to y. From the theorem 1, the first theorem. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is directly proportional to u square, and lx plus my is directly proportional to u. Then show that x is proportional to y. So what is given? Ax square plus 2hxy. All these are constant. A, h, b. But u is not constant because it is directly proportional to u, they are saying. So it is u square 1 is given. And then another one you take lx plus my is equal to capital M, you suppose. Where k and then you can write k, m is constant. So you can put u here directly. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to k into lx plus my divided by m whole square. So now what you can do, I can write it ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. K by m square you take a constant n, and then it is only lx plus my whole square. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means what I have taken, k by m square, because constant you can take anytime any name. So m is also a constant because this is a constant. Now if you take all x square same side, and it will be x square into something a square minus nl square. You can take this one as again constant, and then again if you take xy common, so it will be 2h minus n 2l m is 2l m n, and then by square common, then it is b minus b square minus m square is equal to 0. Now we take this one as a common. Suppose it is a, capital A, and this is capital B, and this is capital C. So because you need to take proportional x and y, you have to find a relation between x and y. You have to prove x is proportional to y. So because it is a quadratic of x, you can consider. So what will be x? Minus b. So coefficient of x is this one, minus yb plus minus b square minus 4 into a is this one, and c is this one, y square c, because it is you are taking quadratic of x, so everything rest is constant, is coefficient for you. So 2 into a. Now you can take y square common and take it out. So if you take y out, then it will be 2a minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So this entire thing you can again take a constant d, where d is equal to this, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a, which is a constant. Because everything is constant, so output will be constant. So therefore you can say x is directly proportional to y from theorem 1. Now if you come to third one, x plus y is proportional to x minus 1, then prove that ax plus by is directly proportional to px plus qy. So this is given to you, x plus y is equal to k into x minus y. So this one you have seen just first question. So it will be 1 minus k. If I take y common, minus y, k plus 1. That means x is equal to y k plus 1 by k minus 1. That means x is equal to some a y, or x is proportional to y, you can say. Now they are asking you to prove ax plus by and px plus qy is directly proportional. So let me divide these two. because if I say x is equal to ky, then if I can prove x by y is equal to k, then I can say this one, then I can say x is proportional to a, back I can go. So that's why I'm dividing this one. So in place of x you put ay. So AAY plus BY, PAY plus QY. You can take y common, then it will be AA plus B divided by PA plus Q. So everything is constant. It is constant because A is constant and these are all they have given constants. So this is constant, some y. Oh no, y is cancelled, so some constant. So that means you can write it B. So AX plus BY is equal to B into, you can take this one that side, BX plus QY. So that means AX plus BY is directly proportional to BX plus QY. Proved. X plus x, y, z are three variables such that y plus z minus x, take care of this one, is a constant and this is proportional to yz. Then you have to put x plus y plus z is proportional to z. Somehow you have to create this one here. So to create this one, this is given to you. So what is given to you? Z plus x minus y into x plus y minus z is equal to k into yz, because it was proportional, so k into yz. So you can write it now, x plus y minus z, this one, and this one you can write x minus y minus z. Why I am doing so? To factorize it, a plus b into a minus b, okay, that is a square minus b square. Again, why I am doing so? This one you can change it to a plus b whole square, then you can apply, because yz is not a matter, yz can go that side, it will be constant. I need x plus y plus z this side. So a plus b, a minus b whole square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So this side you can write x minus y plus z whole square, and this plus 4yz, suppose I have taken that side common, so k minus 4. This one you can anytime change, that will be another constant. And if you say here you can see this is coming, so I need this one, and they have given this y plus z minus x, they have given. So yz into some constant, suppose b. So x plus y plus z, you can take this one as a minus common, then it is y plus z minus x, because given y plus z minus x is constant, means suppose c, they have given. This again I have considered it minus, suppose I have multiplied both sides by minus, so minus b. So your x plus y plus z will be equal to now minus b by, this one is they have given c, so c into yz. So therefore you can write x plus y plus z is some constant m into yz. So therefore x plus y plus z is directly proportional to yz. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.